Hey everybody, it's Gregory with the Friday Forge, and this week we're going to make Chakra incense holders.
Let me fly towards my hands, towards my hands.
So I got some reclaimed mushroom wood from a coworker, and I really couldn't figure out what to do with it. It had a really cool figure, but still nothing came to mind. In our video last week, Brigham and I did our first epoxy pour, and from that project came 2 incense holders from some cutoffs. So it gave me an idea for this mushroom wood. Why not laser engrave something on it and make a massive incense holder from it? Plating it was quite the chore, however. This wood was mangled, it cupped, it twists, it bends, and it has layers. After a few minutes of realizing I was not going to get this all the way flat, I just went for something that was going to be acceptably flat. I could have gone all the way flat, but it would have lost some of the character, and I was not wanting thin stock. You can see here from the sanding that one of the pieces has some amazing character, where the other had very nice lines and a wonderful live edge. And that's why I didn't want to plane it all the way flat. And the piece with the knot in it, I was using that for my laser testing. Here's a reminder to always check your equipment before you use it. And another reminder. What had happened is the part that clamps down on how deep you want the bit to go had come loose, and I forgot to check it. But all is well that ends well, and I learned a valuable lesson. I continued on without any other issue. And I finished making the ash catches for both stick and cone incense. The laser I'm using is a Sculpt Fun S6 Pro, and I got this 7 Chakra SVG file on Etsy. And I finished using Odie's oil. Here's how they turned out, and for the first time using mushroom wood, I'm quite pleased. These are available on our Etsy page, links in the description. Thanks for watching.